The Astec jf751b-3000-9041, also known as a 1905-2260, is a power supply with an output of 12 volts of direct current at 55 amps. We received this power supply dead, and after we performed a complete rebuild, we then did a load test, which is shown in the video. ERD has the capability and experience to repair thousands of different power supplies, and we have enjoyed a very high success rate over the decades. From Lambda to TDK to Sorensen, we have worked on them all and are ready to handle power supplies of any voltage and current capacity. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.